Hanji, good afternoon, Tenai. All good? Pravleen, how are you? Good? Okay. Chalo. Let's proceed on with the class. We are on to paper 3-2, S19-3-2. Fine. And I told you that revise question number 9. So I'm going to take you to question number 9 and let's do the discussion based upon that. Okay. We are going to wait for a minute more. If anybody joins, I will open the paper in the meanwhile. Okay. Are you all able to see the question? Fine. Thank you. Yes, beta. So this is your question number 9. First A part we have covered. Yes. B part also we have done. What are the different disadvantages of wind turbine? Then C part also done. The cables are suspendedly loosely in the hot weather. Why? Okay, yes. Moving on to D part. Hanji. If anybody has not done it or paper is not there, so please read it once. We are going to discuss. Question number 9, I told you to revise. We are going to have a discussion onto it. And then we are going to do the question number 12. Fine. We are going to do this paper today. Complete. Hanji, what is the answer to the question? Figure 9.2 shows the saucepan of water being heated on the electric cooker. The water is heated to boil to the boiling point and continues to boil for 30 minutes. Describe what happens to the temperature of the water while it is boiling. Hanji, Navjot.
Ma'am, it remains constant. Remains constant.
Okay. Okay. Anji Vardha, any other answer?
No, ma'am, it will remain constant. The temperature will be constant.
Okay, why it will remain constant?
Ma'am, because we are continuously boiling it on the electric cooker.
Very good. So it's going to remain constant. Okay. So this is a 1 mark, just it remain constant is okay, sufficient. Okay. The cooker is switched off now. The water is allowed to cool. Before heating, the mass of the water in the saucepan is 1000 gram. The mass of the water in the saucepan is now 600 gram. Describe the mass of the water that has been lost from the saucepan. Hanji,
It will be 400.
it will be
400.
400. Very good. How it is? You have 1000 in the beginning, then 600 is left now. Means what is lost? 6000 minus 600 is equal to 400 gram. But you have to, like, you know, they have given you the space to solve it out. So you must have to solve and tell. You don't just directly write the answer, but solve it. अब यहाँ पे पूरा लिखोगे 1000 minus 600 is equal to 400 gram, and in the dash given here you will write just 400. यहाँ पे 400 gram नहीं लिखोगे, you will just write 400. You know the reason why? Because the gram is already mentioned. Okay, चलिए. State what has happened to the water that has been lost from the saucepan. जो पानी नहीं है, which is the 400 gram which is lost, what happened to that? Anji, Jasmine.
Ma'am, that is evaporated by steam, converted into steam.
Very good, very good. Converted into the steam. Okay. Navjot, any other answer?
Ma'am, no, it's converted into gaseous form.
It is converted in the, because we boil it, so it get evaporated. It is converted into the steam, it get evaporated, so any can be your answer. Chale. So this total 9th question is of 9 marks. Any doubt in this question? Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. Let's move on with the next question of physics. That is question number 12. Okay, so here is your question number 12. Figure 12.1 shows the bridge between the two supports. So these are the two supports having the bridge. Name the force that is represented. Okay, you read it first. There are 2 questions. Go with the questions one by one. One question is of 1 mark, second question is of 2 marks. Okay. So this is the diagram, this is the question. Kindly go with that, then I am going to talk about it. Yes, beta. Name the force that is represented by the vertical downward arrows from the bridge. हाँ जी, Jasmine.
Ma'am, gravitational.
That is the gravitational force. ठीक है, बोल सकते हैं. Very good. Okay, what else? Any other answer? Anyone? You want to say something else? हाँ जी, Isha. Isha, your voice is not audible.
How much weight of the bridge?
Weight कैसे आएगा? How it is weight of the bridge? हाँ जी.
मैम उसका वेट देखेंगे ना कितना है, क्योंकि मैम दोनों साइड से फोर्स लग रहा है.
No, they are saying that what this downward arrow represent. How you can say this is the weight? How you can say this
वेट
is
ही
the
होगा
weight?
अगर
हाँ?
वेट ही होगा, क्योंकि नीचे वो हम जब हम वो करते हैं
हाँ जी. ठीक है, you said this is the weight, but how it is weight?
मैम when we calculate the means how much it is moving downward only.
Okay, any other answer? Anyone? Okay, so both the answers are correct. Jasmine and Isha, दोनों के आंसर सही हैं. It is vertically downward arrow, fine, and weight is the force due to the gravity. Fine. Weight क्या है? This is the force due to the gravity, and gravity always attract in which direction? Downward direction. Fine. So even if you write the weight or you write the gravitational force, because they have written that name, the force, so gravitational force is also the correct answer. Okay. The second, the bridge has mass 6,25,000. Calculate the downward force of the bridge. The gravitational field strength is given to you as a 10 Newton per kilogram. Anji, who has done this numerical? Anji, Jasmine.
Ma'am, we will use mass into gravitational force, gravitational field formula.
Mass into?
Gravitational field.
Okay. And we can calculate the value. Fine. Okay, Navjot.
62,50,000 Newton. 10 into 6,25,000.
62,50,000. Okay, done. Okay, कैसे किया हमने? Okay, listen. You have to find out the force. The formula of force is what? That is mass into acceleration. Fine. That is m into the value of g. Here the value of g is given to you as 10. Mass कितना है? 625 000 multiply by g is how much? 10. So you are going to multiply it and you will get the answer. Clear? Acha, okay. Now one thing over here. Suppose that I don't know the formula. मुझे formula नहीं याद. So how we can do this? Just look here. Look here onto this. The unit of g. You can write it down. G का unit क्या है? Newton divide by kilogram. ठीक है जी? Okay. Write it again. G is equal to न्यूटन, न्यूटन किसका यूनिट है? फोर्स का। किलोग्राम किसका यूनिट है? मास का। अब आपको फोर्स निकालनी है, फोर्स मींस G मल्टीप्लाई बाय M. Is this clear? So if you are not clear with the formula, somehow you forget the formula, you can get it like this. So what I mean to say is that the hint is given in the question itself. Hanji Vardha, yes beta.
मैम वही मैम सिंपली ऐसे ही बताना था कि मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं उसको।
हाँ,
6
मल्टीप्लाई
lakh
भी कर सकते हैं। What I mean to say is कि अगर बाई चांस आपको फॉर्मूला नहीं याद, आपको नहीं पता है मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिवाइड करना है, so where you have more than one units given, like यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ किलोग्राम दिया है ना, so this is just the unit of mass, है ना? Here you have Newton also, kilogram also. From here you can get the answer. यहाँ पे G कितना हो गया? न्यूटन ओवर किलोग्राम। न्यूटन होता है फोर्स का यूनिट, डिवाइड बाय किलोग्राम होता है मास का यूनिट। तो हमें फोर्स फाइंड करना था, मींस G मल्टीप्लाई बाय मास। Got it? Okay. Navjot ji, the answer which you gave is correct, but the way you gave the answer is wrong. Navjot, can you repeat the answer?
Ma'am, that was 62,50,000.
Okay, 62,50,000. Anji, everyone, you got the same answer? But what if I say that मैं आपको one number दूंगी, I will not give you 2 marks. I will give you 1 out of 2.
Ma'am, we will write in international system.
Yes, definitely. Very good. See the way they have written it over here. It is 6 to 5 altogether. They have not written it as 6 to 5, then 0, 0, 0. If it is like this, means it is the Indian one, है ना? The national one. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is lakh. But the way they have written, like 3, 3 in every column. So ones, tens, 100. आगे 1,000, 10,000. आगे क्या आता है? 100,000. और उसके बाद they start with millions, है ना? They don't go with the lakhs and the crores. So it is that way written. So when you are going to get it, you get the answer as 625 0 0 0 0. So 1 comma is going to be over here after 3 digits, 1 comma again after 3 digits. So how you are going to pronunciate now? How you are going to pronounce this? Anji.
Ma'am, 6,250,000.
Yes. 6,250,000. Done? वैसे there is nothing to वहाँ पे, like it will be a written one, but yes, you have to take care of the way they are writing. Means you have to write 6, then you have to leave a little space, then you have to write 250 together, then you have to write leave a little space, and then you have to write 3 zeros. It's like this. Done? You are giving the international paper, so go with that. Obviously, there are chances that the marks will, it's not just for, you know, there are chances that the marks will be reduced. Remember, we have done one question a few days back where you have a table and it is written 85 is the answer. And below, बाकी नीचे जितनी भी quantities थी, it is written 86.0, 87.5. Then I told you that if you just write 85, it's going to be wrong. क्योंकि बाकी सारे points के बाद 1 digit is there, so you have to write 85.0. Fine. So that brings a lot of difference. Chaliye, moving on to the next question. The bridge is supported by reaction force 1 and reaction force 2, which is onto the two sides of the support. एक force इधर है, one side of the bridge, second reaction force and onto the other side of the bridge. Okay. The bridge is supported by reaction force 1 and reaction force 2. Using your answer from A2. A2 क्या है? A2 is this one. The downward force which you get. State the total size of the reaction forces. Reaction 1 plus reaction 2. Explain your answer. मतलब आपको reaction forces भी लिखनी है. You have to explain it also. It means they will be having 1 mark for writing the answer and 1 mark for the explanation. Half mark you will not get. Chaliye. So what is going to be the answer? Total reaction forces कितनी होंगी? हाँ जी प्रॉब्लम.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. What is the total reaction forces?
Ma'am, like we have to tell addition of both,
Yes,
like
definitely.
the upward and downward.
Yes, yes, they have written na reaction force 1 plus reaction force 2.
Yes.
कितना आंसर आएगा?
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, 1 second. I will calculate and tell.
Why you will calculate? It's already given, my dear. It is already given. Read the question carefully. Using your answer from A2, state the total size of the reaction forces. हाँ जी वर्धा जी.
मैम सेम होगा आंसर.
सेम होगा बेटा. ओनली देन इट इज जितना आप डाउनवर्ड फोर्स लगा रहे हो. डाउनवर्ड फोर्स हमने कितना लगाया? 6,250,000. तो अपवर्ड दोनों को प्लस करके उतना ही होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम. फाइन, इट विल बी ओनली इफ इट इज बैलेंस्ड. So whatever the downward force you have is going to be equal to the upward force. They are not asking for the separate reaction force 1, reaction force 2. They are saying that what is the total. So total is equal to the downward force. क्योंकि downward force 1 है. Fine. So the answer is going to be 6,250,000. Now what is the explanation for this? Anji Navjot, explanation.
Ma'am, here we will tell about the Newton's third law that it exerts the same force as the bridge exerts on the ground.
ठीक है. Or you can just simply write it in the way that the downward force is always equal to the upward force. है ना? What Navjot said is also very correct, that whatever the reaction to that, the same action. Sorry, to action there is a reaction. Chale. Next, the bridge is supported by granite rocks. Now here comes the last unit, radioactivity. A radioactive radon gas seeps out of the rocks in small quantity. Hanji. So please read the question. We have 4 parts of it. Let's do the first 2, then we move on with the next one. The bridge is supported on granite rocks. Radioactive radon gas seeps out of the rocks in the small quantities. State 1 danger of ionizing radiations to the living things. मतलब वन डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ दिस रेडिएशन क्या हो सकती है? The one and the many very common one. हाँ जी.
मैम कैंसर।
It can be the cancer problem. It can be, or
Ma'am, it will damage the cells.
it will damage the cell. That is very much common one, that whenever we are in contact of the radiations, they affect the cells very badly. Okay. हाँ जी नवजोत, any other is also there?
Ma'am, mutations.
हाँ, mutation हो सकती है, cell mutations. Very good. Very well said. So any one they are asking. So it depends upon what you write. ऐसा नहीं है कि सेम आंसर है, इसने वो लिख दिया मैंने वो लिख दिया तो my is wrong. It's not going to be that way. It can be corrected. चलिए, a radiation counter produces a clicking sound for each ionizing particle detected. A piece of paper is placed between the rock and the counter and clicking sound stops. State the type of radiation that is being emitted by the rock. There is one very good hint given to you, and the hint is this one. Yes? Anji Dilpreet.
Alpha.
Alpha, because alpha is the one which is stopped by the paper. ये हमने किया था ना in the topic of radiations, radioactive substances, that for alpha just by a small piece of paper, a thin piece of paper, it is stopped. Beta gamma pass कर जाएंगी. Beta can be stopped by a thin that metal, and for gamma you need something concrete. So paper, it means which sound it is? Alpha. Sorry, which radiation it is? Alpha. Chaliye, so 2 questions done. Moving on with the next. Radon gas from rocks contributes to background radiation. Background radiation. Suggest one other source of background. कोई और source बताओ which is for the background radiation. Any other source. Other than the gas, which can be the other source of background radiation? That can be from the nearby area. Yes. Answer. Navjot.
It can be uranium.
It can be?
Uranium.
No. Uranium कहाँ से आया यहाँ पे? They okay. Listen, I think you misunderstood the question. उन्होंने बोला है that radon gas from the rocks में से जो radon gas आई है, that contributes to the background radiation. Is there any other source of background radiation there? They're not saying. You understood? In that bridge concept. Like if you look onto the bridge, it can be the soil present, the floor. It can be from there also. It can be from the rocks as well. Rocks उन्होंने बता दिया, so you can talk about the floor. Fine. If they ask you the question that something like this, then your point is correct. Okay. Moving on to the last question. It is of 2 marks, and this is the concept of half-life. A sample of granite contains 1 million atoms of radon-222. Radon-222 has a half-life of 3.8 days. Calculate the number of radon atoms remaining after 7.6 days. Answer. हाफ लाइफ कितनी है? 3.8. मतलब 3.8 डेज के बाद 1 मिलियन इज गोइंग टू रीच टू हाफ ऑफ इट, और उसके अगले 3.8 डेज के बाद जितना बचेगा उसका फिर हाफ. सो व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग आफ्टर 7.6 days. So you can find out how many half-lives you are going to have. It is 7.6 divided by 3.8. So when you do that, you will get that there are going to be 2 half-lives to reach till 7.6. है ना? 7.6 तक कितनी half-lives हो जाएंगी? 2 half-lives. Okay, 1 half-life में it will reach to the half. Another half-life it will again reach to the half. So what is the total it will reach after 7.6? That is 1/4 of the original. Of the original. The original कितना है? 1 million divide it with 4. You will get the answer as 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 5 0 0 0 0. 250,000 will be there at the end of 2 half-lives. Are you clear with this? देखो एक और सिंपल मेथड बताती हूँ. It can be that you reach to 7.6. After every 3.8 days, they are going to be half-life. ठीक है जी? तो आप क्या करो? You can draw a line over here. Here is the beginning where there is 0 half-life. कोई half-life नहीं. 1 half-life के बाद वो पहुंच जाएगा 3.8. 3.8 days means 1 half-life. Another 3.8 days means second half-life, that is 7.6. तो कितनी half-lives हो गई? 2 half-lives हो गई. 1 million का half करके यहाँ पे लिख दो. Then उसका half करके यहाँ पे लिख दो. You will get the answer. But why I told you that method? Because it is not that in every exam they gave you 2 or 3. तो आप फटाफट से line draw. Maybe they said 10. Got it? So if it is 10, so are you going to do it 10 times? No. You have to understand this, how to do it. जितना original है, it is 1 million. Divide by half-lives कितनी होंगी? जितना आंसर पूछा है, divide by what is the actual half-life? आपको कितना पूछा? 7.6 days के बाद. What is the half-life? 3.8. So divide it. You will get how many half-lives are going to be there. So there are going to be 2 half-lives. 2 half-life means 1 half-life means divide by 2. 2 half-life means 2 ka square. 2 square is what? It is 4. Then just solve it. Got it? Chale. Let's do one question based upon this to understand it once more. Let's say they are saying, okay, just a minute. In place of this, 7.6, it is written here 30.4. Now tell me the answer. If you have this question, please tell me the answer now. You have a granite containing 1 million atoms. Half-life is 3.8. Calculate after the number of atoms after 30.4 days. हाँ जी दिलप्रीत.
One second, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ जी ईशा.
15,625.
15,625.
625.
Okay, I have written it. हाँ जी. Anyone else with some other answer? कोई और आंसर? Navjot, you have the same answer? No. Okay. Then what is your answer?
Ma'am, 3906.25.
3900.
6.
It's a 906.25.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, I have noted down your answer also. Anyone else with some other answer? Dilpreet, your answer is this one or different?
My answer is 15,625.
अच्छा, दिलप्रीत का आंसर भी यही है 50,625. चलिए, दिलप्रीत and निशा. So majority. चलिए, who else? हाँ जी, प्रॉब्लम आंसर.
Ma'am, I'm doing 1 minute.
Okay, do it. हाँ जी, anyone else? हाँ जी, वर्धा, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 15,625.
Very good. Vardha also with this answer. Navjot ji, you need to check your answer once. Majority goes with 15,625. हाँ जी, प्रॉब्लम.
Ma'am, I have one question.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, like we in the previous question we divided it by like ma'am 2 into 2 ma'am 2 का square किया था ma'am. In this question we have to do it according to the half life or we have to do it with 2 in every case.
That is your wish. हाफ क्या होता है? हाफ का मतलब 2 होता है बेटा. 1/2. हाफ लाइफ मीन्स
Yes.
आधा. आधा मीन्स 1/2.
Yes.
चाहे आप
Ma'am, then it is
अकॉर्डिंग कर लो, चाहे
15625.
अकॉर्डिंग कर लो. वन. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, it is 15625.
चलिए जी, प्रॉब्लम also 15625. Very good. Who is left? Jasmine. हाँ जी, Jasmine जी, unmute.
Ma'am, doing just a minute.
Okay. हाँ जी, दिलप्रीत.
15625.
हाँ, I have noted down your name. I have written D. D for Dilpreet. Okay. Dilpreet, can you bring your notebook closer? Dilpreet, just show me your notebook. Bring your notebook closer to the screen. हाँ जी, वर्धा. Vardha, show me your notebook. Vardha, kindly have your notebook nearby the screen. I want to check You want to say something? जी
मैम मैंने नोटबुक पर ठीक से लिखा नहीं है।
अच्छा, okay. Okay, those who have done it correct. Anybody who can show the notebook? And Isha, you can show. Numerical है, you have to properly solve it. मतलब ऐसे ही, yes madam, I have done, this is the answer. हाँ? Solve it, ना? The way you have to attempt it in the exam. Anji Dilpreet. Yes, Isha, you want to say something? Yes.
हम वो कैलकुलेटर पे किया, कैलकुलेटर पे करके।
क्या बोल रहे हो?
मैंने कैलकुलेटर पर किया था।
What do you mean by calculator पे किया? Very good. Everyone is becoming smart, huh? And that is why all your answers are okay. Pravleen is going to show. Very good. Acha, okay. So congratulations, Navjot. Others, your answer is wrong. Sab calculator पे लगे हैं. That is why you are not getting the answer. What if you have not tried it? You will never get the mistakes you are doing. So you have to at least try it, only then you will get what the mistakes you are doing. सबके आंसर सेम आ रहे हैं और किया किसी ने भी नहीं है. Very bad. Okay. So what it is 30.4. Days कितने थे? 30.4. Yes. Okay. So it is written here 30.4. हमने निकालना था कि कितनी हाफ लाइफ्स हुई. That is going to be 30.4 divide by 3.8. Solve करके आप सबका आंसर आ गया 8. So there are going to be 8 half lives. Now, what is the original one is 1 million. हर एक की हाफ लाइफ करनी है, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/2 या फिर डिवाइड बाय 2 बोल दो. ठीक है. अब है 8 हाफ लाइफ्स हैं. So 2 power 8. आप कर रहे हो 8 power 2. Half life means what? Half life means divide by 2. And how many half lives you have? Means denominator में 2 you have to write 8 times. हाफ फिर उसका 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 हाफ. अंडरस्टूड? अब ये काउंट मत करना कि मैडम ने 7 लिखे कि 8 लिखे. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. So it's 2 power 8. And when you do this 2 power 8, it comes to 56. And when you solve it, नवजोत आंसर बोलो दोबारा, क्या बोला था?
मैम 3906.
3906.25. Now this is the atoms you left after 0.4 days. Okay. इसीलिए बोलते हैं प्रैक्टिस करो. आप प्रैक्टिस क्या, आप तो लिख के सॉल्व ही नहीं कर रहे हो. So just do that, okay? Answers are correct. You have the calculator. Don't use it in this way. It's going to be disastrous then. Okay? Charlie. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. We'll meet soon in the next class, and we are going to do S19-2. That is MCQ. Okay? So you can once go with that, with the concepts given in those 13 questions. We will follow that in the next class. Thank you so much. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.